she counts to 3. Then she turns out all the lights and says she's coming for me. Now put your hands up, this is a heist. And there's no one in here living gonna make it out alive. Load it up when the sun comes down. Getaway car for 2 young lovers. Meet a girl straight out of town. Over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. We go together, Adam and Eve. But the girl is so much more than just another apple thief. Yeah, she's a genius. Watch and learn as she sets the world on fire just to watch the sucker burn. Load it up when the sun comes down. Getaway car for 2 young lovers. Meet a girl straight out of town. Over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, throw a party, yeah. Throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, throw a party, yeah. Throw a party on the day that I die. Load it up when the sun comes down. Getaway car for 2 young lovers. Meet a girl straight out of town. Over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die.
Let's learn Green Green Grass. It's choreographed by Karl Harry Winson. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 2, 5, and 8 after 24 counts with a slight step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restarts, and then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and where all those restarts happen, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Green Green Grass. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. You're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. You're now going to do 2 walks back, stepping back left, right, and then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping back left, right together, left, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do turning hip bumps. We're going to do a half and a quarter. So our half is going to start by making a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you touch your right toe to the right side and bump your hip to the right. You're now facing 9 o'clock. You're going to slightly bump your hip to the left, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step back onto your right and slightly bump your hip to the right. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we touch our left toe to the left side and bump your hip to the left, hip to the right, and then bump your hip to the left and take weight onto your left foot. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, and you're going to do a syncopated weave to the right, quickly stepping your right foot to the right side and crossing your left over your right. Then you're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and cross your left behind your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our coaster step. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 12 o'clock. You're going to do your turning hip bumps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a right crossing shuffle. Cross your right over your left, left to the side, right over your left. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, and as you recover back onto your right, you're going to sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to do a coaster cross, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, and cross your left over your right. When you restart, you're going to change that step into a coaster step with a step forward instead of a cross. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our weave, so left is behind right. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a rolling grapevine to the right with a clap. So you're going to start by making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to clap your hands. You're now going to do a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to do a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. And then we're going to do a quarter chasse, turning over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot to the left side, and you'll be facing 3 o'clock, and you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster cross. You're doing your rolling vine with a clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walks. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, half turning, hip bump, quarter turning, hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep, coaster, cross, quarter, half, quarter, clap, quarter, half, quarter chasse to the side, facing 3 o'clock, ready to start over. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, on a couple of the walls, when they're singing the chorus, the green, green grass, blue, blue sky part, when you're doing your hip bumps, you can do your party hands or bring your hands up on those hip bumps when you're turning. So now let's talk about the restarts. The first restart is going to happen on wall 2. You'll start the dance facing 3 o'clock. When you come to the back wall, or 6 o'clock, you're going to leave off your rolling vine to the right and your quarter, half, quarter chasse to the left, and you'll restart the dance after that coaster step, changing it to a forward coaster step instead of a coaster cross. So let's try it all the way through up to that part, and we'll change our coaster step where we step forward instead of a cross. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your walk, 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 mambo step, back, back, coaster step, half turning, hip bump, quarter turning, hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side of rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep, and now you're turning this into a regular coaster step with your step forward, coaster step. You'll now restart the dance, walking forward, walk, walk, mambo step. The full 24 counts for each time that we do the restart is going to sound the same. You're going to make sure you're restarting with your walk forward when they start singing green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You'll make sure you're starting all over by walking forward. Again, after we restart on that wall, your next one will be wall 5, so you'll be facing the front. You will dance the same 24 counts to face 3 o'clock and then restart. Your next one is on wall 8, so that will be 9 o'clock. You'll dance the full 24 counts to face the front, and then you will restart the dance at that same point, doing that coaster step with your forward step. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps, Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between all the restarts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, half turning hip bump, quarter turning hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep with your coaster, cross, quarter, half, quarter, clap, quarter, half, quarter, chasse, 24 counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, coaster step, restart, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, turning hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep with your coaster, cross, roll, quarter, half, quarter, clap, quarter, half in your chasse, now walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After this, we're going to restart with our 24 counts. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, half turning hip bump, quarter turning hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep in your coaster step, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, turning half hip bump, quarter turning hip bump, cross, back ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep with your coaster, cross, roll, quarter, half, quarter, clap, quarter, half, quarter, chasse, 24 counts, then restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8, walk, 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 mambo, walk back with your coaster step, turning hip bump, half, in, quarter, now cross back, ball, cross ball behind, side rock, recover, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, sweep with your coaster, cross, roll, quarter, half, quarter, clap, quarter, half, quarter, chasse to the side, and then that's everything. After that, you'll just dance the whole dance through until the end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice it as much as you would like, so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn green grass. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.